Hey everybody, I just did a video on these, but we're going to pretend this is the first one because in that one I realized because I want to put this out now, and I realized I showed a bunch of paintings that have not been published yet. So we're just going to, well, for you, this is the first time. So these are Arteza pouring acrylic colors, 28 unique colors. We've got all sorts of colors. They are pre-mixed, so you don't need to do anything but paint. They are $60 for this set on Amazon. The link is in the video description. They also have them on the Arteza website. I have Arteza links in my video description as well. This is, oh my gosh. Gosh, I am shedding. Well, actually, those are dog hairs, I think. But this is how gorgeous this paint is. I mean, so bright, so smooth. It's super creamy. It's all the same consistency. So, oh, it looks a little dark. I mean, it just is amazing, amazing stuff. So it is kind of pricey, but it's really cool. And I just mixed up, we're gonna walk the trash can, woohoo! I just mixed up some new paints of mine, and I tried to get them to a thicker consistency, kind of like how these were, because I love these so much. So this was just a flip cup where I added white and then squeezed the white around it and then tilted. And it turned out amazing. So I want to now try a mallet smash with it. So the video for this will be probably a week after this video. So I know it's a little out of order, but it's the way it's going to be. Grab my gloves. So yeah, so I tried to mix mine thicker so that it would be more like these, because sometimes, you know, if my paints aren't all the same consistency, when I tilt it, if one of them's thinner, it just races through and ruins the whole thing. Alrighty. So you do have to shake, 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 shake. And this is the white. Granted, I would go broke if I used this white for everything, because that would be pretty expensive. It does come, I think, with like 4 whites though, which is nice. Yeah. This should work. I think I'm gonna want some more. It's not on any of the sides. Alright, well, let it sit upside down, but I don't think I'm gonna get anything else out of that one. And this triangle canvas is from Joann's Fabric. They are $3.99, 12-inch. I'm just going to leave it like this, I think. Well, maybe not. I can't never leave well enough alone. So I've got neon orange. What? Ugh, they have, okay, I took the plastic off it, but it has a cardboard thingy in here, which I cannot get out. Oops, there we go. All right, now I can squeeze this out. I do like working from these though. It's making me think I should save them and put my other paints in those instead of the tubs that I use. It says if you add water, they will crack. So I don't think I would want to add the paint I already have to it. Just wait till they're empty and reuse them. This is metallic wine red, which I didn't open. Oh no, I did open it. It has that stupid thing on it again. They really want to keep these protected. Just for a little metallicness. And this is mid yellow, which I actually just mixed up in Arteza mid yellow. And then one of my favorite blues, phthalo blue. I don't know if this is going to be enough paint. Usually I make a mistake and pour way too much paint on my mallet smashes, but here, no mistakes. Woo! Check it out. Oh my gosh, look at that color. I'm gonna tilt, maybe. This paint is thick, so see if I can at least get some to go over the edge. There we go, now it's moving a little. Look at how vibrant these colors are. It makes me, well, Floetrol, I wonder if it dulls them down a bit. It's what I've been using since the beginning. And I would really hate to change my recipe now. Yeah, I think I'm just going to tilt this one so it won't really look mallet smashy. Because the colors are getting really pretty, all twisted. looks like something from outer space. But man, I'm assuming it's the ultramarine, my God, phthalo blue, not even the right color. And the yellow is what made that. It's beautiful. I'm going to do a hard tilt, so hang on, guys. I'll show it to you again. But if I don't do this hard tilt, we're going to be sitting here till tomorrow. Check out these colors. Another hard tilt. And this hard tilt is actually straightening them out, so they're not all twisty. Look at that! Is that not cool? Look at this little yellow or pink. Oh my gosh. I'm in love with this stuff. Oh, this is beautiful. I feel like I need to reevaluate everything I've ever done in my life. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching. I will again show you the colors. Woo! So thanks again for watching, and I will, of course, catch you next time. Goodbye, my friends.